Hi everyone, so today I will update my Genshin Impact version 2.8 from Lutris website. So just click install and Lutris will be show up. I browse to the other drives, so I have installed this game and the drive needs to format in ext4. I will fast forward from here and then it will show to install now. So there is no need to change settings in this advance. Click read and agree and install now. Click run now. If you need to download, just click get game. As I have download, I just need to transfer to Lutris folder. So I have setting exit, so and confirm. Now installation completed. And I open my drive. I cut and paste inside Lutris folder. Paste here. Then execute script, otherwise it cannot be started. And then I change a little bit here. And save. And then press 1 to play Genshin Impact after you patch. Yep, it has show up. So I fast forward the video from here, so it should be work. So like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.